Congratulations on receiving your Neurolumen and welcome to the family. Let's go ahead and get started. Your Neurolumen has arrived in a flashy silver case. Let's go ahead and open it up and go through what is inside. You will see a large white envelope that will include the quick start guide and other reading material. You'll also see your white device and other items depending on your order. Before going further though, please be sure to read the quick start guide and review the other reading materials that are inside. It is very important that you charge your unit fully before using it. That way you have the best results. You will remove the unit and the charger from your case, plug in the charger on the side port, and then plug it into a wall outlet. Now let's take a look at your treatment pads. We have two types of treatment pads. The dual, which is two pads connected by a cord, and a single, which is a large pad together. The max number of pads that can be used per unit is 4, 2 single and 2 dual treatment pads. If you did not receive all 4 with your order and need assistance on getting additional treatment pads, please give us a call. There are lights and lasers on your treatment pad that will turn on automatically. The two together on one side are the lasers, which you will see dimly light up. The 4 on the top are the infrared LEDs, which will be invisible to the naked eye, and the bright red LEDs. All of these are set to the perfect wavelength and cannot be adjusted. In the middle are the gel pads and clear covers. You will use the connector to plug the treatment pad into your unit, orange dot up. On the top of your unit, there are 4 ports that are 2 different sizes. There are 2 ports for the single treatment pads and 2 ports for the dual treatment pads. When plugging in your treatment pads, you will put the orange dot up and hear a little click when it is securely plugged in. To remove the treatment pads, you will pinch the size and gently remove it. Depending on your order, you may use one or all 4 ports. The single treatment pad will use ports B and C, and the dual treatment pad will use ports A and D. Each port has an arrow for the electrical stimulation right underneath that port, so you know which port goes to which arrow. All right, let's start treating. In order to use the electrical stimulation, you will need to remove the clear covers. You will notice your gel pads are sticky to help connect to your skin. Once you are done treating, it is important to replace the clear covers to help the lifetime of your gel pads. You also receive tails that can be attached to your treatment pad to secure to your body with Velcro on one end. These can be removed and are interchangeable, so use what's most comfortable to you. Please be careful when removing your tails from the treatment pad. To turn on the unit, you will press the on-off button in the middle. You will see the screen turn on and the display zeros under each port. You can also turn off your unit by pressing the same button. You'll place your treatment pads directly on your skin, plug in your treatment pads into your unit, and turn it on. The lights and lasers will automatically turn on, and you can use the arrows to increase your electrical stim. It'll range from 0 to 99. You also notice lights on your arrows. If the arrow is blinking, that just means the gel pad does not have the best connection to the skin. So try to replace your gel pad so that the arrow is solid. Just because the arrow is blinking does not mean that that treatment pad is not working. It can be difficult to get complete contact on curved areas such as feet and shoulders. So it is okay if the arrow is flashing, but you can still feel the electrical stim and you have placed the treatment pad with the best connection you can do on that treatment area. When you do have complete contact with that gel pad, the arrow will stop flashing. After 30 minutes, your unit will automatically shut off. If you have any questions about treatment options of where you should treat or how long you should treat, please give us a call so we can walk you through it. Thanks for watching. Please give us a call if you have any questions.